Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Tether from Bitmart to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between exchanges and wallets is a key skill for any crypto user. Whether you're looking to secure your funds or just manage your portfolio better, this tutorial will get you up to speed quickly. Before we start, make sure you have a verified account on Bitmart and your Arculus wallet set up and ready to go. You'll also need some Tether in your Bitmart account to transfer. Let's jump right into the steps. First, log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Tether balance. Next, look for the Withdraw option next to Tether. This is where the magic happens. Now, for step 2, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Carefully paste your Arculus wallet address into the designated field. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Then, select the network for the transfer. For Tether, it's usually Tron, Ethereum, or another supported chain, so make sure it matches what your Arculus wallet uses to prevent any issues. Step 3. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send. Remember to account for any withdrawal fees, which can vary, so check Bitmart's fee schedule first. Once everything looks good, hit the Withdraw or Confirm button. You'll probably need to go through a two-factor authentication step for security, always a good thing. After that, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, head over to your Arculus wallet app or website and refresh your balance to see your Tether arrive. Awesome job! A quick word of caution: always use secure networks and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.